The topic of today's class is based on computer network or networking. Let's understand first what is computer network. A computer network or a network is a connection between two or more devices that they can be linked with each other for the purpose of sharing resources located or provided by network nodes. In today's era, we are connected with each other through a network. If you have your network in your mobile phone and network in your friend's mobile phone, then only you can communicate. The nodes of computer, which may include personal computers, servers, networking hardwares, or other specialized general purpose nodes. The interconnection between these nodes are formed from a broad spectrum of telecommunication technologies based on physically wired, optical, and wireless technologies. Basically, there are two types of network. The first one is wireless network, means we can communicate with each other through radio waves or satellite, which is most common in today's era. Earlier, wired networks are used. In that networks, you use coaxial cables, twisted pair cables, unshielded cables for communication. Uh, Wireless technology is more beneficial than wired technologies. Networking make our life so easy that we can share a useful information, images, audios, videos with each other, whether we are sitting at large distance within a 1 second or within a few minutes. The diagram of network is this. As you can see in the diagram, there are two types of network. The first one is wireless network. Wireless network is a network in which two sets can communicate with each other through waves, like a handset, and we are transferring a data from a one single handset to a laptop or a computer. Now, with the advancement in network, wireless printers are also used in today's technology. And the example of wired network is given here. In the wired network, a one cable is connected to the printer, the another one is to the another computer. Wireless network is uh, earlier used, but now wired networks are used. This is a diagrammatical representation of the network. What are the advantages of network? The advantages of network is that a single network is simultaneously accessed by many persons. There are moments in any business when several workers may need to use the same data at the same time. So network make that thing easy. And shared peripheral devices, when through a net, for example, your printer is Wi-Fi connected with your two or three computers. So when you want to take the printout, the computer A can take the printout simultaneously, the B can, the C can. Means it, you can share peripheral devices, that is printer. One printer is shared by many computers at the same time. This is the advantage of network. Personal communication, video conferencing. We are taking Zoom class, Google Meet class. This is all because of network. One teacher can simultaneously transmit the class lecture or the data to many students at the same times. This is because of networks. Voice over internet protocol. Voice over internet protocol transmit the sound of voice over a network of computer using the internet protocol rather than sending the signal over traditional telephones. Means if you know the IP of one computer, you can send the data to that computer. And it is through the network, the backup of data is very easy. So these are some advantages of network. There are some networking devices, or you can say some nodes, NIC cards, repeaters, hubs, switch, bridge, routers, gateway, and firewalls. They are having different function. Depending upon their usability, we can use them. Network interface card or NIC is used to connect the host devices to the network media. Basically, it is an expansion slot which put in the put in the slots of motherboard, which is expansion slots of a bus on a computer motherboard. It is also a peripheral devices. NICs are sometimes also called network adapters. Each NIC is identified by its unique code. That code is called media access control address. This access is used to control the data communication for the host of the networks. So this is the first networking device. The second one is repeaters. A repeater is a network device that is used to regenerate the signal when it is needed. Repeaters regenerate analog or digital signals that are distorted by the transmission loss due to attenuation. A repeater does not make an intelligent decision concerning towards the data packets. The third networking device is hub. A hub is hub is basically a center point, or you can say a host that allow the network to see them as a single unit. Many devices are connected by to one hub. Uh, as you can see in diagram, 100 base T hub, 10 base T hub means 100 devices are connected to one hub, and uh, 10 devices are connected to one hub. Hub is a central point of the network. The bridges convert the network data and format and perform the basic data transmission management. Bridges provide connection between LANs. They also check data to determine if it should cross the bridge. This makes each part network more efficient. So these all are the networking device which we are using in our daily life. Moving forward, now look at the types of network. There are basically mainly three types of network. First one is LAN, which is also known as local area network. Second one is WAN, which is known as wide area network. And third one is MAN, which is known as metro plane area network. But with the advancement and technologies, there are many types, another types of network are also, like first is personal area network, LAN, campus area network, metro plane area network, wide area network. Sixth is storage area network, virtual private network, client server network, peer-to-peer network. But mostly we can use LAN, MAN, and WAN. They are most common networks. Which now look at personal area network. Personal area network is a network between a home. You can say the range of personal area network is 33 meters to 33 foot to 10 meters. Personal area network is a computer network that is used for transmission among devices such as computers, telephones, tablets, and a personal digital assistant. It is also known as home area network because its range is very limited, from 33 feet to 10 meters. PANs can be used for communication among personal devices themselves or connecting higher level of network and internet when master devices take up as a role of internet router. The diagram of PAN is as shown in given. A single network is shared by to a laptop, to a mobile phone. This is example of personal area network, or to a printer. Its range is very limited. Home Wi-Fi is a kind of personal area network. The second type of network is local area network, which is also known as LAN. So as its name, its range is not like personal area network. Its range is within a campus or within a building. Local area network. Its range is within a campus or within a building. The diagram. LAN is a computer network that covers a relatively small area, which is within a building or a campus, or which are few kilometers in size. It is also a type of campus area network. LANs are generally used to connect personal computer and workstations in company office to share common resources like printer and exchange of information. LANs are smaller than metro plane area network. These types of networks are seen in universities. A college is using a LAN network because many computers, many mobile phones are accessing a network at same times. This is because of LAN. They can spread across several buildings which are closely to each other, but not more than a size of but more than at the distance of 2 or 3 kilometers. It range is generally from 50 meters to 2.5 or 2 kilometers. It is not uh, you can say its range is very limited. The fourth one, the fourth network is metro plane area network. It is larger than LAN but smaller than WAN. LAN covers a city. The size of range is from 5 to 50 kilometers in diameter. Earlier, the MAN network is used in cities. At that time, antenna was placed and the wires are connected and cable is transferred to each and every one house in a city. This is because of MAN network. It covers a city. MANs are typically owned and managed by a single entity. This could be an ISP or a telecommunication company that sell its service to end user in the metropolitan area. For all its intent and purposes, a man has the same characteristics as a WAN with distance constant. Means the characteristics of LAN and MAN are same. They both can be accessed by many people simultaneously, but the range of LAN is limited. It's again from half kilometer to 2.5 or 3 kilometers, and MAN is higher. It's from 5 kilometer to 50 kilometers. Then coming towards the fifth type of network, that is WAN, wide area network. It covers a city or a geographical area. Data travels to phone or cables line. It usually requires a modem. These modem at one side make communication with the modem which is placed on another side. The information from one side is fetched and transferring to the another side with the help of network. The world largest wide area network is internet. With the help of internet, we today can communicate out of country, out of city, and out of state. This is because of wide area network, where in this we can cover a big geographical area, means we can communicate throughout the country. Storage area network is sixth type of network. It is also known as subnetwork or special purpose network. Its special purpose is used to allow user on a large network to connect various storage devices with a cluster of data servers. SAN can be accessed in the same fashion as a driver is attached to the server. The example of storage area network is as shown, or you can in a diagram you can see there is one application server, mail server, database server, RAID, optical storage, and tape. They are linked by each other via SAN, that is storage area network. The seventh network is virtual private network. It is a network that can access publicly networks remotely. VPN use encryption and security protocols to retain its privacy when it accesses the outside resource. When a network VPN, when a network is deployed, VPN enables an end user to create a virtual tunnel to a remote location. Typically, telecommunication use VPI VPN to log in into the company network from the home. Authentication is used for providing to validate the identifier of two peers. Confidentiality provide the encryption and description of data, means to hide it and to keep it secret. Integrity is used to ensure that the data sent between two devices or two sites has not been tampered with. This is all about VPN. So these are the 7 types of networks which we are using in our